Oh, hey, didn't know you were there. You might be wondering why I'm at the beach today. Well, guess what? Don't tell my boss. But I have my roof replaced and it only took 1 day. I took the entire week off. I've been so stressed about trying to find a roofing company. Adamson Roofing Company, they are highly certified. They did my roof in 1 day. I've got a great warranty. Now, I went everywhere to find these guys. I went to the Better Business Bureau, Angie's List, Yelp. I even went to the GAF website, right? We're master lead contractors. The best of the best are listed there and certified through GAF. Well, that's where I found Adamson Roofing Company. Every time I Googled highly certified roofing companies, Adamson Roofing Company's name came up. And here I am at the beach. If you want a stress-free roofing experience, call Adamson Roofing. Really, you don't need anybody else. These guys will give you a great warranty. They'll protect your property. They'll show up with everything they need to do the job. They're gonna leave with everything they came with. And believe me, not only will you be happy, but your neighbors will be happy because they won't have to look at your crappy old roof any longer. Do yourself a favor, call Adamson Roofing Company, and I'll look forward to seeing you at the beach. I'm gonna get back to my book now.